Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a basket flip-flop. You really need to know how to do a basket already, and if you've done a sway flip-flop, you'll find this really easy. I'll put that link in the description below because the sway is the traditional one that you learn a flip-flop in, but you don't need to know that one for certain to be able to do this. As I say, I'll put those links in the description below so it's nice and easy and quick for you to find them if you need them. But we'll jump in and show you the move. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard basket. We go back to 2 hands, we wrap the lady in, we bring the lady back. This time we're going to bring the lady forwards, not round the corner. So we're going to bring the lady forwards. You could do a little bit of rotation, but not too much. And you want to get some kind of leverage to actually send the lady over to the left. So we're going to send the lady over to the left. Guys, head over to the right. We're going to hang on with only the right hand. So we're rolling the lady out to the left. So we've got a man's right, lady's left grip. We're going to re-wrap the lady. Guys heading back to their side. Pick up the spare hand and repeat. Back, forwards. Once more, we're going to go flip, flop. Now finish the basket, twist, round the corner, turn, face, return, and back. You could flip-flop as many or as few times as you like. If you want to do it once, that's fine. If you want to do it 3 times, that's fine. The only thing I would say is if you're going to do a lot of them, probably a really good idea that it actually matches something in the music rather than you just doing it for a long time. Okay, otherwise it'll get boring. So let's go to the other side and we'll think about numbers so you get the other view at the same time. So we go back 1, wrap 2, twist 3, preparation 4, flip 5, wrap 6, back 7, prep 8, flip 1, wrap 2, back 3, round the corner 4, turning 5, facing 6, returning 7, and back 8. So let's try it together. Here we go. Basket flip-flop. 5, 6, basket flip-flop. It's a back, wrap, back, prep, flip, flop, backwards, forwards, flip, flop, back, in, turn, face, return, and back. And that is the basket flip-flop. It's one of those moves you don't need a lot of experience or an experienced partner to do it with. So if you did that with a beginner, you've still got really good chances of it working straight off. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, hooray. Subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell will just mean you get told every time a new video comes out so you don't miss anything, providing you've got notifications turned on in your settings. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.